All right, this property is available right now. I believe it's listed at 115 on the spreadsheet, something like that. So before we go in, I'm going to show you a little bit of the neighborhood. This is Talladega, and we are only 5 minutes or so from the historic district, the Silk Stocking district, and downtown Talladega. I was about to walk out in the street, but there's a car coming. So across the street from this house is a church school, elementary kind of deal. There's some great properties down there, some duplexes, really cool houses. And next door, welcome to the South, there's a big old church. So while I'm over here, let's just kind of show you a whole view. You can see they are finished. So this one is 90 to 95% done with the rehab. Here's the back of the house. So you are going to tour the property with me, and I'm going to show you some details about their rehab quality as far as what they put into these houses, what things they focus on, so you can get a good feel for that. This provider sold one of the houses, the blue one, down 2 doors down recently to an investor. All right, front of the house. Oh, so that one 2 doors down sold for about 120. I think this one's listed at 115. Are we going in this way or?
Well, I got a key is there. So
okay.
This one is a 1 bath. That one has 2 baths.
Oh, okay. So this is 2 bedroom, 1 bath. I'll show you the garage. He's going around the back to get the key. Let's go snooping. So really nice house next door. Actually, all the houses around here look really nice. Oh yeah, it's basically a 2-car garage, but this will all get cleaned up. How cool. They were debating about whether to take that down. It would cost quite a bit to take it down, but they went ahead and painted it, so it looks nicer. Siding looks fantastic. We should be getting let in here in a second. Obviously the cleanup crew has not been around quite yet. Cool little front porch though. I would have waited to start the video if I'd known we were waiting for the key. You get to be in suspense with me. Let's see. I'll start talking to you while. Oh, where? Can't find the key?
No, I can't find the lockbox.
Well, we're on a little bit of a hold here because we're looking for the key. So I may be starting this video over again. But in the meantime, so we're in Talladega. I'm really enjoying Talladega. It's got a great little historic district, really cool buildings. It's really clean. I love being back in the South because it's green, and in the South, in the country. Let's oh, there's the lockbox.
Yeah, but there's no key in it.
Oh.
Try it. Hold on.
We're gonna give it one more whirl, and then I may cut the video and start over.
Aha.
Ah. Ha ha.
That didn't work.
Success.
So.
I'll give you another quick little view out of the porch. A little corner lot. Here we go. Cute. Ooh, I like it. So this is the standard Lvp flooring that they use in all of their properties. It's a fantastic kind of brown gray color.
The wood floors were in really bad shape in this house. That other house, they're completely rebuilt.
Okay. Obviously that'll all get.
What?
All that'll get.
Oh yeah.
Fixed
That
up.
was, they had to tear it up to put the floor down.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. It's about 90% complete. Eric didn't now see that floor. We could refinish, so we did.
Oh, okay. Are these bedrooms?
Yep.
Okay. Wow, these are huge bedrooms.
Yeah, I know.
I like this house because it has a lot more of that historic feel than a lot of them.
I mean, look how high the ceilings are. I can reach 8 feet. They're 9-foot ceilings. This floor we could redo.
That's the room we were just in. So you're saying these floors are in great shape, so they're keeping those. Another big bedroom. This is this closet. Okay. Oh, bathroom looks, other than, is a new toilet coming in? Or
Yeah.
something's getting done?
And look at the size of this door. We can't even replace it because it's so big. It's a 36-inch door.
Goodness.
40-inch door, yeah.
How cool.
So we're just leaving the blind on it, or we'll.
What a cool door.
Yeah, but it's big.
So you guys did all this tile?
No, that was already in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so we didn't have to do it.
And you guys will clean up the tub?
Oh yeah. This is all. We have professional cleaners come in. It already has the countertop on. And these are getting glass in them.
Okay.
And that's one last thing that we have to do here is put the glass in.
So their properties mostly get granite countertops. I don't know if you can see in the video very well. New countertops are in. Some of the properties do get new cabinets, but these are fantastic. So they're getting glass.
So you can see like these, these already had it in.
Mm-hmm.
So we thought we would just leave them all. They had
Just match it.
on them. Yeah. So we just matched them.
And you guys will put the appliances in?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The stove goes there.
Okay.
Obviously.
Stoves go in there.
And this takes you to the backyard, and then the laundry room is in there.
Oh, perfect.
In the other house, the blue one,
Mm-hmm.
this is the other bathroom location from the house,
Oh, cool.
and that is somewhere else. Yeah. And this is a complete new upgrade on the electrical.
What a cool laundry room.
That's a brand new upgrade we just
Brand
put in.
new electrical.
It used to be fuse.
Okay.
So.
And so this part of Talladega, who would your renters be? Like, where do they work in Talladega? What's the rental market around here?
This is from what the realtors tell me. This isn't me. This is the most desirable school district in Talladega.
Ooh. Now we're talking. Did you guys hear that?
No, that's what the realtors tell me. And
Yeah. We can get it verified.
I can verify that with Kim, my realtor who lives here.
Okay.
Who's from here.
So potentially we are talking about an adorable historic looking house in arguably the best school district in Talladega, that's people are always looking for the good school districts.
Yeah.
And these
So
bedrooms are huge.
This would be a family with one or two.
That was me dropping my phone. I'm going to look on the spreadsheet as we're talking. And okay. So we are talking about, this is $11.45 on the square feet. It's priced at $115, renting for $950. So
I think it'll get more than $950.
So with the possibility of getting more than $950, so that number is conservative.
Well, we try to be conservative because we want to make everybody,
Better to under promise and over deliver.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, folks, this is 116 Damon in Talladega.